I am blessed that I get to come to work every day to a job that I absolutely love. I love being in the classroom. I love being with my kids. I've worked for 19 years and I've enjoyed my job every day. I enjoy watching those kids when I'm teaching them something that they have no idea how to do, and when that moment when they go, oh, this is it? Oh, I've got this, that I can do this. I love seeing that. Today our goal was, by the end of the lesson today, my students were going to be able to find volume of a regular figure, which that was more of a review because we have touched on that, by counting cubes and using the formula length times width times height. And the end goal, that was my beginning of my lesson, but the end goal today is for them to be able to find volume of an irregular object through decomposing that figure and making it into the two figures and then finding the additive volume at the end. I taught it this way because some of us can't see spatially. You know, we only see that flat one dimension, and for them to be able to see spatially on paper, it's really hard. So this way, when I teach it this way, they can see all the dimensions and touch it, and I think making it where it's in their hands helps them more than just looking at a piece of paper. So geometry is just one of those things. A lot of kids get it like that because some kids just see it that way. Other kids struggle with actually seeing the shapes and the dimensions. And sitting in my classroom right now, there may be some future contractors or electricians or plumbers or whatever that they need this skill that I taught them today. I like knowing that maybe they'll think back and say, oh, Miss Stroupe taught me that in 5th grade. I also enjoy about my job that every morning I get to be at that door when those kids come in, and I get to say, good morning, how are you doing today? And give them a smile. Used to it was a hug, but now, you know, elbow bump, whatever it takes. But I love getting to be that person that brings, I hope, some joy to them. And that's one of the reasons I love teaching, is because I feel like I am touching. This year I have 64 kids in my 3 classes, and I love teaching them and knowing that all 64 of those kids know that I love them.